In this video, I'm going to show you how to use YouTube TV so you can make the most of its features for live and on-demand streaming. To get started, sign up for a YouTube TV subscription at tv.youtube.com and log in with your Google account. Once you're logged in, you'll see the home screen, which highlights live TV, recommended shows, and your library. To watch live TV, simply click on the Live tab to browse current programming, or use the search bar to find specific channels or shows. If you want to record a program, click the Record button next to the title. Your recordings will be saved in the Library section under Recordings for up to 9 months. You can also schedule series recordings to automatically save new episodes as they air. For on-demand content, explore the On Demand tab, where you'll find movies, past episodes, and exclusive shows from supported networks. YouTube TV also offers personalized user profiles, so each household member can have their own recommendations and DVR space. To switch profiles, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. If you're watching sports or multiple events, try the Multi-View feature, which lets you stream up to 4 live events at once on compatible devices. Finally, manage your account settings, billing, and location by clicking on your profile picture and selecting Settings. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped you learn how to use YouTube TV, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.